Good morning, folks. It is 5:51 here in Louisville. Oh my gosh, there's a butterfly. Look at that butterfly. Anyway, I don't know what's going on back in the background, but if y'all can hear it, somebody's shooting something. I don't know what that's about at this time of the day and that much. That's crazy. I'm glad it ain't near us. Anyway, it's got to be several inches of snow, if not more, on the ground right now. Let the car warm up some just because I don't want to kill the battery. Anyway, y'all have a good morning. Safe day. Do not go out in this. Don't worry about ice melt because um, you ain't going out anyway, so it doesn't matter. Anyway, y'all have a good day. Be safe.